Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are exploring R for data analytics, one of the most powerful tools for data science. So, what exactly is R? R is a programming language designed specifically for data analysis, statistics, and visualization. It helps professionals analyze huge datasets and uncover meaningful patterns. To get started, you first install R and RStudio, which provides a user-friendly interface. Once set up, you can import data from CSV files, Excel, or even databases. With just a few lines of code, R lets you clean, filter, and analyze your data. For example, you can calculate averages, run statistical tests, or build predictive models. And when it comes to visualization, R shines. Using packages like ggplot2, you can create beautiful charts and graphs to make your data insights clear and professional. R is widely used in industries like healthcare, finance, and marketing because it's open source, reliable, and supported by a massive global community. So, if you're looking to build a career in data science or research, R is a fantastic first step. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my assignment solution for more tech insights.